campaign says it's for everyone, chances are it's resonating with no one. Some brands think their campaigns are universal. The problem, though, is that their visuals, language, even references all default to one worldview. And here's the kicker. Over 30% of Australians were born overseas. Globally, multicultural audiences are the market, but most campaigns don't speak to them at all. So these campaigns fall flat in the exact places they want to grow the most. That's the blind spot most marketing teams miss, and that's why I built the Blind Spot Diagnostic System, because it forces you to ask whose voices are missing. Have we tested this outside our bubble? And does universal really mean inclusive or just the default? If you want to know are the blind spots quietly costing you millions, watch the full breakdown on my channel, and let's make sure your next campaign doesn't fall into the same trap.